Hey guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I use the, Mina eyebrow henna brow tint to do my brows, to tint my brows. I got this off Amazon. I had a lot of fun doing it. Go ahead and continue watching if you'd like to see how I did that. This eye look will be up later on. It's going to take a little bit longer to edit, so go ahead, please like, subscribe, I don't know, continue fucking watching, right? Alright, so like you seen in the intro, we are dyeing our brows today using eyebrow henna that I got on Amazon. Oh, the quarantine is real, right? So this says it's professional use, but you can get it on Amazon. And it comes in these little packets. This is the henna powder. You get a little water dropper and a little spoon. And you get this little cup to mix your product in, which I've done. I got, what color did I get? I got medium brown, so. Okay, so you prepare your dye, then you clean the eyebrow. I've already prepared my dye, clean my eyebrow. You apply and you wait 10 to 15 minutes, and then you wipe off using water. So, ooh, let's see how this goes. Also, it says there's like enough product for 30 uses in there. Oh yeah. And it gives you this little tube for the excess powder in the pouch that it came in. There's, how many pouches? 3 pouches of the powder. All right, so I'm gonna take this little liner brush and start painting it on, and I'm gonna start out the outside of my brow because that's where I want the most pigmentation for like a more ombre effect. And clearly I have like some brows up here, it's just very faint over here. So that's what I'm doing. Very much a paste, which is what they said, do like a paste consistency. I'm a little sweaty, so I don't know how well this is gonna work out. And obviously go to your local esthetician or brow shop or whatever if you want to get your brow dyed. You don't have to do it at home. I like doing my own services. I will sometimes go in for services, but what I can do at home, I do. Because it's fun, I enjoy doing it. I don't actively work as an esthetician, so why not? I'm gonna take a little pointy Q-tip and kind of clean up under this side a little. Okay, so it is done. I'm gonna wait. All right, so I got my brows on. I'm gonna wait the 10 to 15 minutes and I'm gonna wipe them off and we'll see what these bad boys look like. All right, I just wiped off the henna dye using a warm water and a washcloth, and look at that brow. I mean, as far as the shape goes, like, well, this one got a little sparse and spotty, so I could have definitely, that's all me, not the product, just how I put it on. I could have done a little bit better. Let me get close up. I could have done a little bit better. It's pretty sweaty, but I am not mad at this brow, like just brows ready. So I would probably continue using this product. I don't know for sure, and I'm not gonna wait like a week or two to give my final thoughts on it. Like, I'll just update you when I get this filmed, which I don't know when that will be. So we'll see. It could be tomorrow, it could be 2 days from now, I don't know. But look at that brow. Oh my God, I think I need to go do my mom's next since we're on quarantine. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it. I'm gonna do my makeup, do another video since I'm at home today, but look how cute that is. I'll definitely have to fill in still because, especially since I botched this one, I might even fix it tomorrow or later tonight because like this brow just being like ready to go, and I don't know. I'm happy with how it turned out. The color's good. It was looking a little dark. Definitely a good color though. I might need a little bit darker for my mom. She has darker hair than mine, but I might just go ahead and pick that up if that's something she's just forcing it on. She's always down. I love my mom. She's down as fuck. But yeah, check that out. All right, I am gonna film another video. Thank you so much for watching. Well, maybe I'll just come back with some makeup on and do my outro. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, so my brows, I am not mad at it. I obviously did my makeup, went a little ham. That'll be up later. But I just had to fill in the very lower because I do like that like definition. But I really like how they turned out. I sent my mom a picture. I'm gonna order a color for her and I'm gonna do her brows. Again, you guys, just know, like, if you can't do this, don't do this. I'm doing it for fun. I am licensed. I know what signs to look for if a product doesn't work for my skin or if it's gonna cause any breakouts, or not breakouts, but like contact dermatitis, any allergies, like there's burning. I didn't get any of that with this, but I know when to call it quits. So this was more just for fun. I'm not saying that you have to run out and do this yourself, but if you are interested in a brow tint, go to your local esthetician and get it done, or try the Henna brow, you know, do you. It's on Amazon. But I really like it, and I think I'm gonna keep up on doing it because look at that brow. Not mad at it. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. Be safe out there, everybody. Take care of yourselves. Remember to give some distance between you and others. Have a good day, night, whatever. Like, subscribe. Bye. Bye.